That's enough. Don't come rob me for my shit after I gave you stuff. Sir. Alright, let's get it. Got my fish up in the water. Let me check on the fish. Make sure no crabs is eating him up. He's still there. Let's get it. All right. Yes, sir. Get it. Let me know. Let me know. I got another one, baby, another one. Yes, sir. Oh, he let go. He let go. Well, you got shit out there? Yo. I think about the end of the day, I'm gonna owe you mad goat. I'm gonna try this goat again. Damn, yo, I let that one go. That one was big. Yo, go get some Sana rod and try to get some flounder, nigga.
I got my rod. I'm gonna switch it over. I'm gonna put that diamond jig on this one. And
I forgot to bring you the I got two over there. I got three. Bring you the Yo, look at the setup. You see how it moves? Huh?
already biting.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Come on, let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What you got? What it feel like?
Sea robin.
Oh, I feel
Or
heavy.
maybe a porgy. Could be a porgy.
Yeah, you still got something though.
Still got him.
You know what I'm saying?
Son is something, and we ain't getting skunked.
Word. And I just had a bite and I messed that up, but
What is this? A little sea bass.
little sea bass.
Look at that. Little
Hey.
black. Yeah, little black sea bass. I need a bigger one than this.
You'll get it. You'll get it. Sir.
Smooch and release.
Smooch and release. Hey. Got some, got some. What you got? Oh my God, yo. Guys, I think I'm gonna owe Leo mad goat. And he caught another one, a little bigger one. Yeah, that's right. So we catching, but look. What am I doing wrong here? I'm setting the hook too early probably. This gulp is weak. I'm gonna have to try something else. I'm gonna try one more gulp, and then I'm gonna have to go get something else.
That was with clams.
Man, dog. Yeah, I see that. You need a bigger one, bro. What's keeper size on those? 15?
Yeah.
Yo, man. This gulp, it needs to be more chewy. Yo, there's mad hits over there. That's why I want you to try it. You get excited, bro. It's fun. Yo, look at these. What are these? Yo. Mira eso. Yo. Mira eso. You see them? You see them? Long ass shit.
Flounder and a couple of black sea bass. Oh, I got black sea bass.
Bro.
I don't know, maybe that's what they like at that point.
What you got?
Probably another sea bass.
Another sea bass?
Yeah. A little baby one.
That's a small black sea
Yeah.
bass, right?
Right.
Maybe that's, oh, look at it. Remember the fishing show? We gotta see.
Let's do this over here. I gotta catch another flounder, baby. Trying to catch another flounder. Did that work? Let me check on my fish. Make sure no crabs ate my fish. He's still good. He's getting eaten up or something, bitten up or something. Nah, he's still good. Oh shit, look! You see that? Yo, look, he caught a fish. Bro, come here, try this out, yo. Bring a goat. Try this shit out.
I put some of those, I put white ones inside that fucking liquid.
Right? Para que coger saborcito.
Yeah.
Make sure you strain out in the tip. Watching. I'm gonna cast over there. You see that middle?
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, right there.
Get it!
Yo! Yeah! What the fuck is that? Oh.
A little black.
I thought it was a flounder. He's there. He's got it, right? I got excited for nothing. Damn. He's Got it. Wanna hold it? Huh? Nah, it's too little. Might live. You got something too? Yeah. You cabrón, yo no. Oh, damn. Bota esa mierda, eso es venenoso. Nah, throw that shit out. Ah. So that's what's been eating the shit. No. You think so?
This is on your hook. That's probably eating that too.
That little ass
But
mouth.
that fucking, you see that teeth?
Get that motherfucker away from me, bro.
Mira eso, está lleno de agua.
So you think that's what be eating our shit? Puffer fish, puffer fish.
Yep. Why are you looking down? Cabrón, why you keep moving? Stop moving. I got it right in the leg.
I want that shit to spit me in my face,
Oh,
motherfucker.
it's not gonna spit you. Just keep breathing in. Good Jay.
Don't be jealous. Shit, what's this? Like a 15?
Yeah, it's like a 15, yeah. That's. But we need the bucket.
Vamos a llevarlo para allá, que lo vamos a picar.
But we out.
Lo que tengo, bro.
Sí. Espérate.
Yeah, baby. Ay, cool.
Come out. Number 4 for the day. Number 4. Nice little flounder. El viejo de la bicicleta que he presentado. Here.